Let's go. What's up, Ohio? Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, I'm a little late today. Getting worried about me. This guy. All right, let's see what we got going on. Hey, wait a second. Stream Elements. I've never seen you in here before. Wait a second. Am I live on Twitch or YouTube? Where am I? Where am I? Is everything right? I'm on my trading channel, right? Okay, Stream Elements. How we're talking. Imagine I just loaded this up to Twitch on JDeezy. All right, let's check this out. What do we got here? So the daily kind of came up and tapped into the other daily range up here. Need to reset the numbers? Oh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right. I think we're good. Heck yeah. So actually our all-time record on the stream, we do have 10 W's, 3 losses, 3 break evens, and 1 broken rule. All right. On gold, so it's been running up kind of on the daily. Overall, it's been bearish. Heavily bearish. After it was on a bullish run forever, finally coming back down. Daily today going down. It already made a top wick. 4-hour candle. About to break its own low. 1 hour obviously going down. 30 minutes. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish today. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I mean, technically you got like a 15-minute closure below. Technically. Not saying I would take that. Technically you do have that closure. But it is coming right down and resting on top of this, so I don't know. Yeah, I want to wait for a 1 hour. If you can get a 1 hour closure, I think that looks sick. But the whole idea is to sell. So even if we get like, hold up. Hold up. Yep, Balogun can play tonight. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, that was a stupid red card. That should have never taken place. Yo, good morning, Sia. Good morning. Yeah, Brazil's out, man. Holland scored 2. Erling Holland. Yeah, it's crazy. USA plays tonight. Hold up. Give me a second. I got an ad. Ohio. Yeah, I'm excited, man. Argentina and Cape Verde was super close. Super close. And France actually didn't look as good as I thought either. So Wait, why is he a clown?
The market is closed.
Huh? Why's my market closed? What are they talking about? What you talking about, Debbie? Saying the market's closed. All right, let me check out NQ real quick. That's gas. Fine. Yo, my thing is bugging. What's going on here? Yeah, there we go. Daily kind of chopping around in this range. 4 hour trying to come back up. It is about to come into this zone here. Go a little higher on that. Yeah. So it is coming for that zone. Yeah, I mean, I just don't want any part of that. Like, what is this? Green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle. But it's like going up, kind of. Yeah, I don't want any part of that. But if it comes up into that range, I might be interested. However, that would be the daily like flipping up there. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll just keep an eye on NQ. If we can somehow get like, you know, green candle up into there or something, and then we get our closure, something like that, then maybe we can look for some sales back down or something. But or we got to have a closure above and then kind of like an onion. Oh, yeah, that looks crazy. All right, we got about 5 minutes for a 1 hour closure. There's another game on today, though. Like a really good game, right? Yeah, Portugal, Spain at 2 o'clock. Portugal, Spain, man. That'll be good.
The market is open.
Brother, it better be open. Why is Top Step bugging out? Top Step is tripping. I would hope it's open. Could be. Okay, the only news we really have today, the red folder at 9 a.m. So we still got about an hour for that. trying to close back in this range, at least on the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, you do have like, oh crap, I got the wrong thing out. You have this 4-hour zone here. So we'll see kind of what that does. If it rejects or if it just keeps going. But either way, we got 2 minutes. Two minutes. It's open. Yeah, I guess we should try to see if we can even place an order. Okay, we can. Just checking. All right, we got about 30 seconds. Man, Spain, Portugal today, and then we got the U.S. playing later. Let's go. Kind of a weird closure. But, I mean, it did close below on 30-minute. Which I actually don't mind. I don't mind it. Let's see what this wick does. I mean, this is a 4-hour low down here. All right, man. See what we can do here. Coming up pretty good. I think I'm probably just gonna chill on this for a little bit. Wait for a 15-minute closure. Yeah. I mean, part of me wants to take, like this. Come up here. Down. Limit sell, but I think I'm just gonna wait. Might as well wait. Come on. Ohio, you ready for some soccer today or what? You ready? You learning lots? All right, chat, hold up. I'm gonna go get some coffee real quick. I'll be right back. I know the game. Don't love it. That's messed up, bro. I'll be right back. All right, my bad. I'm back. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, I'm interested in some sells, but it's got to be the right one. I mean, this 4-hour zone here. If we look to the left, you got support there, resistance here. So where those two meet, that's our zone, and it's trying to create a support again. So sometimes the sells gotta wait an extra step. You're running into it, especially a zone like that, and it's only like, I don't know, it just wasn't very convincing. Gotta convince us. Wait for our setup, man. But like I said, we could get something like could get something like this. Let's say this one. Sorry, this is terrible, I know. But so you get a closure up, get this, closing above, and then a fake out. So you get this back in. So we could see something like that today. Then we sell off. Maybe something like that. Little fake out above. See what happens. Man, that's hot. Doing pretty good on our combines, though. Doing pretty good. Got 4 green days in a row. We're sitting at about 4,800 on all 3. So we're getting there. Getting there on the combines. Hopefully we'll pass those. It'd be nice to pass them this week, but no rush. As long as the setup's there. We got about 5 minutes for a 15-minute closure. Check out NQ. Yeah, NQ's just trolling, man. Not really something I want to be a part of until there's something a little more obvious going on. I've just been in this weird up-down, upward trend. So we wait, man. The worst part. Waiting. Working out that patience. Oh, there goes our limit sell. Coming down. I do still kind of like this limit sell, but we'll wait for the 15-minute. One hour making possibly a top wick up back into the zone. That's kind of why I'm eyeballing that zone for sells. See what the 15-minute brings here. If this wicks up into the zone, I might be in there. Might be in there. Maybe. Here it comes. Coming back down. Yeah. That would have played out nice. It's okay. If it closes below and we still get some sort of wick up, like I'm probably going to be in there. Got about 10 seconds. Yeah, it just didn't quite go far enough. However, the 30 looks good. But I think I'm going to wait. I don't like it. I like it and I don't like it at the same time. I just wanted to see a wick a little higher. A little bit higher. Also, like I said, it is still resting like kind of on the zone down here. Got support, resistance, you got support here. I don't hate it, Sia. I don't hate it. I just wanted to see a little taller wick on the 15, but 13's not bad. It's just a little bit. I mean, I could go to the MGC chart for stops. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good because you got the 4 hour breaking the low down here, or you could just do this wick, like a short wick build, do like partials down here, move the break even, then target like somewhere down here. So I don't hate it. I just would rather see something a little different. Also, 8:15 right before 8:30. All the prices, you know, like people are putting in their sells, putting in their buys. So up, down, price action. I don't know. I think I'm gonna stay out, but it's not bad. Technically, you do have a 1 hour breakout. You got the 30-minute breakout as well. The only thing I don't like is being on top of this like zone here. But yeah, it's not bad. Because I mean, it's daily breaking the low, 4 hour breaking the low down here. But I guess in my mind, like the gap from where price is at now to where I would like to enter on the break of that is too big of a gap for me, if that makes sense. Like I said, I could go to the MGC, but for me, it's just not worth it. I'm just gonna let it rock for 8:30. See where we end up. A good idea to go full margin on 50K Top Step funded accounts? I mean, that's up to you. If you feel like that's in the budget, you know, and you want to full margin a few accounts, then I mean, that's totally up to you. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's worth taking shots, I think, but as long as you're not someone that just gambles. Because if you have a problem with like gambling or something, or not being able to hang on to a budget, then I wouldn't do it. But I would do whatever feels comfortable for you. You know, so like for me personally, I took risks. You know, like when I made a lot of money, like that 1 month last year, forget where I made all that money. Like I had 50Ks at that time. Now I just do the 150Ks, but like back then I had 50Ks, and I mean I took some risks. That's how I had like 4K days, you know. So it's totally up to you, whatever your risk tolerance is. But for me personally, I took some risks. Because at the end of the day, like you said, you're only losing a $100 account. Back then it was only $50 plus the activation fee, but yeah, so do what feels good to you, man. Yep, take A+ setups, absolutely. Like something just fell. But yeah, I mean, to get the max payouts that I got, I mean, I take some risks every once in a while, for sure. Not financial advice, but that's what I did. Good weekend? Yeah, it was a good weekend, man. We celebrated my nephew's birthday. Had some fun. They went to one of those baseball games with the entertainment, the Bananas or whatever. My wife and I didn't go, but we stayed with my parents. But yeah, they had a blast. Looked like a good time. We saw them on TV, so that was cool. Foul ball landed like near my sister. Yeah, it was cool, man. How about you guys? How was your guys' weekend? What'd you guys do? See, did it come and break this low and then get people in? And then boom. Nebraska's not boring? Hey, man. Hey, you never know. Anywhere could be boring if you just do nothing. You know what I mean? I mean, we find things to do. I mean, we're bored sometimes, but I mean, we go out to eat. We got pickleball court near us. We can do all sorts of stuff, man. Play some bags. Whatever you want. Got to find something to do. Nebraska and all that cornfield. Where you at, Sia? Are you in Dubai? Is that where you're at? Man, that coffee is hot. See, this could have wicked us in and just drove straight back up if we were on the break, I think. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong on that candle, but straight back up. It's not worth it. Yeah, he's in Dubai. Let's go. What do you do in Dubai, Sia? What do you guys like to do for fun there? You guys got loads to do. Weekend was good. Did a few errands. Friday parade. You had a parade? Family over for lunch. Fireworks. Sunday was church. Nap. Soccer. Nice. Go. Come on. Yeah, we watched soccer while we were there too. Watched a little World Cup. Played some bags. Played some horseshoes. Super hot in Dubai. Yeah, it's super hot here too, man. Yeah, it's been brutal. Like 95 or something yesterday. Super hot, man. It's cornhole. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Well, I don't like to follow the rules, so nobody clip that out of context. Nobody clip that out of context for being a traitor here. That's not good. I don't follow Ohio's rules. 'Too many rules, man. All right, we got about 4 or 5 minutes here. See what's going on. Yeah, that's awesome. Our guy gets to play now today. That red card got reversed. Heck yeah. Come on. Okay, so if it wants to come down, could either this 1 hour could be just making this top wick and end up like somewhere in this zone here, or we could be looking at a fake out, like I said, where you get some green candles, close above up here, close above the 30-minute or wherever I had it, 15-minute. Yeah, up there. And then a fake out down below. Could get that, or a 30-minute closure below. We'll see. The possibilities are endless. Endless. Come on. Two and a half minutes. Let's go see if NQ did anything. Still coming down. 4 hour turned around. It's coming down, huh? But it's like, where do I want to see it close below? You know, like you have all this support and resistance. So it's like, which one? Which one do you choose? If you wanted to sell. And since I can't decide, I can't take it. Yeah, so we could get the 30 to close below on this as well. All right, we got about 10 seconds here. We're going to close below or above? Close below for like a celery. Yeah, I kind of like this up here. That's kind of that area I was looking at anyways before. Could run up all the way, but I like that 1 hour making the top wick there.
Order filled.
All right, we're in there. Pop that down there. All right. So the combines, can't remember what I needed for like 4,200. Which if this 4 hour breaks the low, I mean, that could be looking good, but not a lot going on here at 8:30 though. Not a lot happening. Not a lot going on. Might stop us. Might stop us. But okay. Okay with me. See what's going on NQ. NQ's probably crazy. So you got that 30-minute bearish candle, went down on the next one, and then it's ripping back up. Wow. Ripping back up. That's crazy. All right, ours is ripping on us backwards. Backwards. All right, I'll be right back. Is it coming to get us? Might be coming to get us. Could be, could be. Bro, NQ reversed. That's crazy. NQ went down, went all the way up, and now it's all the way back down again. Isn't that crazy? That's gnarly. Gnarly, brother. Is it gonna stop us out, man? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? Contacts blurry. Is it coming for us? Kind of looks like it. NQ's back up now. I'll say the 1 minute has to be hilarious looking on NQ. Will it get us? Win or lose, man. It's the only two outcomes. That's it. Unless you play soccer. Classic. Classic. Yeah, that's funny. Not anymore. It's the knockout stages. The knockouts. Fully delay? Wait. No, that's right. Oh, the delay when it showed up. Yeah, that did take a while. That took a while. Did you really? Oh, I don't know then. I don't know what to tell you. Dream Elements, it's a Monday. It just woke up. I don't know what to tell you. All right, we got about 2 minutes for a 15-minute closure. Can we hang on? Am I still in this one? We're still in. W. We're still in there. Incredible. All right, this is what we need on the 15-minute candle. Okay? This is what we need. Just a straight, no top wick bleeder. That's what we need. Don't do it, Goldie. Don't do it. Man, it's still trying to go up. Still coming up. I just don't want this top wick to wick us out and then drive down. What I do not want. But it is driving up. Goldie? It's driving up the wrong direction. Playing games. All right, can we get the bleeder like this? Can we get it? I feel like it's got to have exhausted the buys right here, you know? Oh. Do it, Goldie. Do it for the people. Do it for the people. Well, it's working on something. It's working on it. Anytime. It could. Up or down, up or down. Like an elevator. Yeah, news incoming at 9. Yup. Yes, sir. I think... yeah, a little bit above this zone. Probably where I want to end up. Probably where I want to end up. Somewhere over here. Yeah, news inbound in 12 minutes. But, I mean, I still love this break of the low here on this 30-minute. Love it. See if it happens. see. We'll see. Yes, it could. What does news mean? Basically, news is like these folders here. Like the red folders are high impact news. That's usually where you'll see the volume. So like when the Fed or whatever makes announcements and all sorts of different things, like the different sheets come out with all the data of like unemployment and all that jazz. When all that stuff comes out, that type of thing. Do it, Goldie. Do it. I believe. Check NASDAQ. Holy. All right. NASDAQ ripping. Straight up. It is coming in. It blew past that 4 hour. Kind of coming into these 4 hour support and resistance zones. But it looks like it just wants to blast past all of that. Honestly. Kind of what it looks like. Kind of what it looks like. Or is it going to reject here? Little rejection. Oh, excuse me. Holy crap. What was in that? Small little rejection here. So far. Still got about 7.5 minutes though for the news. Goldie's playing with our emotions. Look at that rejection. Wow. Holy cow. Well, that would have been the level right there. We would have taken middle. I mean, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but the way that was looking, bro, there's no way I was taking that sell. But that was the zone that we had marked out. So we would set sell stops or limit sells in the middle of that thing. And then aim for this down here. Boom. Just a quick scalp. But, I mean, the way NQ was looking, man, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Like, I don't mind taking those risks every once in a while. You guys have seen me take them, but I don't mind it. Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on it, see ya. If it gets too close and it's just still kind of doing the same thing, it's not worth the risk probably anymore. But it just looks so good to come down. It looks so good to come down. But doesn't mean it has to. At least not right now. You know, we could be early. Sometimes that happens. Also, we don't know which way the news is going to go. Could, like you said, make that top wick, knock us out, and then still go down. Or it could just run back up. We have no idea. So I'm just keeping an eye on it. We got about almost 5 minutes left. Just giving myself a chance here. I mean, if we lose, we lose. I don't want to, but keeping an eye on it. 5 minutes. Oh, nice, Ohio. Let's go. Beautiful. I'd like to see this rip down like pre-news, honestly. Maybe hit our target before news. With volume coming in, people putting their orders in. But we'll see. We'll see, man. Still got like 3.5 minutes. Maybe a little volume coming in pre-news. Got about 2 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm going to close the
Order filled.
XFA, though, I will say. I'm going to close that. Just a small win. Small win on the XFA. But I'm willing to let the combines play out a little bit. All good. It's really close to news. So, like Sia said, it could go up, make a top wick us out. So, Definitely going to take my profit on the XFA. Got 1 minute. I'm going to move to break even, and if we get wicked out, then, or if we get knocked out, then that's fine. Since it came down and started rejecting there right before news. Could wick us out and then go back down, but that's all right. I mean, this is actually a better setup anyways for sells. But now it's whether you want to gamble or not on the news. But I mean, sells look good. Come down. Looks good. Five seconds. Do we want to play out a little bit more? No. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan, man. All right, stops are in profit, so no matter what happens, we're good. No matter what, we're good, man. I just don't want to get trolled at news time. End up losing something stupid. We took our shot. We got a small profit on the XFA. We're risk-free on this one, so beautiful shot. It's worth it. Worth it to me, man. It's just kind of up, down, up, down, up, down.
Order filled.
All right, we're out on that one. No loss. Small win. All right. But now, this one honestly looks good to come down. Like maybe if it can make a wick up here and then on the break of that low. Because you still got closures below this range here. So, yeah, honestly, I mean, the sells still look really good. You still got the closure below that 30-minute. I wish it would translate to the MGC chart like automatically, honestly. Yeah, so you still got those closures below 1 hour celery. I mean, that looks pretty good to me, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a sell stop. Just a small one, 2 MGCs. I'm gonna do that on both. 2 MGCs. See what happens. See if it goes. Just something small. Except I need to move this. Break of that low. Break of the 30-minute low. Not bad. All right, I'll be right back. All right, what do we got? It's still just trolling. Trolling. Let's see. Yeah, daily coming down. 4-hour low on that one. Wow. All right. Yeah, I mean, this still looks amazing, to be honest. Never even said order filled? When? Well, I'm not in anything yet. What you talking about? Actually, the combines, I do have something like I have a set like sell stop, but I'm gonna risk a little bit more on the combines though. A little bit more on the combines. Do 4 MGCs. Yeah, I set a sell stop. I have one set, but price hasn't gotten there yet to like activate it. Nah, I mean, looking at the same trade. Let's go, Max. Lights fire in the house, baby. Let's go. This looks pretty good. NQ is wild, man. NQ is just like, remember when I told you guys it was down? It's up again. It was down, then it was up, then it was down, and now it's up again. All within like 30 minutes.
Order filled.
A little slippage, okay. A little slippage. Let's go, baby. All right, we're in there. I think we're in on the XFA too. Yeah. Yeah, we didn't go as high a risk on here, but I didn't really want to. Didn't really want to. See what we can do. Like the stream, chat. That's right. Like the stream, man. Like it. Appreciate you. Do it. Do it, man. Do it, Ohio. You won't. Come on. Can we get a push down? Where are you guys looking for targets at? I'm just kind of thinking down here in this little area. I might be even a little too far. But yeah, probably should be like a target like 138.6. Not with the combine, though. Definitely not with the combine. I'm going to go for a little bit more with the combine. A little bit more with the combine. Yeah, it's just not much here, but... yeah, I don't mind. It actually looks good to just come down, so, I mean, I don't mind it. Aiming for targets a little bit lower. A little bit lower. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, Goldie. What are we doing? Look at that, man. Look at that. Goldie's tripping, man. Ripping. I knew I should have traded NQ. I could have been up, down, up, down, up, down. Brother, it like slipped us in like a lot. That's criminal, actually. I'm filing charges. Good thing we didn't risk that much on the XFA. Well, he's trolling, man. Savage. He complained about aim assist. Classic. Oh yeah, it's for sure. I love this. Honestly, I'm thinking about adding more on the break, but I don't want to. I mean, I want to, but I'm gonna let it play out. I mean, look at that daily, ready to come down. 4 hour would be coming down as well. Love that. It just looks great. Honestly. Looks good. It looks good, man. But again, I'm a little far probably on my targets, but with the daily and the 4 hour, I don't mind going for a little lower. Especially with the risk I have. All right, guys, I'm gonna reverse my position into buys. All right, we're in buys. Oh, it's going down now. All right, I'm in sells. I'm gonna base it off the 1 minute. All right, I'm gonna go in buys. All right, I'm in with 50 GCs on buys. All right, it's tanking. I'm switching. Holy. Every time I look at NQ, it's insane. Insane. I mean, if it still just keeps remaining below this, you know, it still looks good. Looks good. I'm going to add a couple more on the break down here for combines. Couple more. Goldie dead? Is he dead? Goldie's dead, man. Did we get a 15-minute closure? We did. It closed below again. Okay. Interesting. Still remaining below. I mean, this looks so good, right? This looks incredible. Looks can be deceiving. But not this time, man. Not this time. Because you know what's going to happen? Know what's going to happen? Huh? Don't worry, guys. Boom. Yeah, you know the deal. Little blader. Oh, for sure. Don't worry. Coming. Already drew it. Plans is in there. Yeah, see, should be. And since we're all thinking it, is it actually going to happen? That's the thing. If everybody's thinking, man, this looks so good to go down, somebody's going to do something to make it go up, right? I don't want to jinx it. I'm not saying that. I want to win this trade also. I'm trying to keep my wits about me. Try to understand the psychology behind the market. And all the people running it. But I've got my bleeder candle drawn. So it's already over. We're already going to win. Full TP. Full TP, baby. Inbound. Inbound. Yo, somebody poke Goldie with a stick or something. Somebody do it. We got the blader candle. It's over. It's over. We already drew it up. Inbound. Trust. Playing games down there. See? Playing games. No playing games, Goldie. Straight to TP. Do it for the people. Do it for the peeps. Hold on, let me move this over. This is probably confusing people. Don't worry, guys. Look at that. Goldie trolling us? You serious, Goldie? Everybody sweating and shaking? Or no? Just me? Why's my eye twitching? Go, Goldie.
Order filled.
All right, we're in there with 2 more, and now it's going straight back up. Nah, we got the bleeder candle drawn. We did add to our combines, though, a couple. So we're in there with 6 micros. 6 micros. We're risking 1,000 to make 1,000. A bleeder for the people. Trolling. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take like 4 off the table here for partials if we get there. If we get there. The rest kind of run. At least on this one. On here, I think... Yeah, I think I'm going to be a little safer. A little safer. Yo, is Goldie trolling? What are we doing? What are we doing? Goldie, we got the bleeder candle drawn. What do we like? You already know the plan. You already know. You know what to do. You know what to do. Man, I just don't like how much it's holding on here for dear life. Let it rip, Goldie. Let her rip. Yeah, I think good there. Some partials. Good for some partials. Can we get the break, man? 4 hour trying to break. Is it gonna go? Well, it has to with this bleeder candle. Really doesn't have a choice now. I'll be right back. All right. All right, Goldie. Full TP. Just do it, man. You got the go ahead. Rolling. We got a minute and a half. A minute and a half for a 30-minute closure, man. Holy. See where we end up here at 9:30. I mean, it still looks good to come down to me. Just struggling though. One thing I don't like is that 15-minute, but I mean a 30-minute closure here in like 5 seconds to close with something like that. A little top wick, dump back down. Or the bleeder candle. Yeah. Come on, man. Come on. Dude, look at that 1 hour. Everybody hold on for dear life, okay? Everybody hang on. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. But it's gonna be worth it. All right, let me check NQ real quick. Oh, you did get a breakout. 30-minute breakout on NQ. Gosh, I just don't trust the breakouts a lot on NQ, but looks pretty good. Yeah, looks pretty good with the 15-minute too. That can break that top. Free to go forever. That look pretty good, but I don't trust a lot of the NQ breakouts, man. Not a lot. Got the update. Did have a win though. We did. Alright, I don't mind this making like a top wick to come back into like here or something and then break back down. I'd like to not see it go back up into here, but like right here, start rejecting. Would be perfect for me. Everybody's still hanging on. Everybody's still chilling. Whew. Excuse me. Goldie, what kind of monster are you? What kind of monster? I knew you were gonna say that, Ohio. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, that's far enough for the wick, I feel like. I'm hip to the lingo. Yeah, you ain't hip, buddy. You ain't hip to the lingo. All right, Goldie, you know the plan. I drew the bleeder candle. Come on. You know the drill. But, I mean, this just looks really good, though. 4 hour breaking the low down here. Yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour. 30-minute new candle making the top wick. Re-break down here. I mean, to me, it looks incredible. But it's got to move. Got to move. So hopefully if we can get this 30-minute candle to break the lows down here, maybe then it'll push on us. Maybe. But it looks good. Looks good to me. I mean, you can't argue with what the technicals look like. 4 hour breaking the lows down here. 1 hour closed below the range, and we still got another closure below for a celery. I mean, had to take the trade, man. Had to take it. Looks good to come down. Yeah, he's picking up the lingo. Ohio's learning, man. He's learning. Come on. You guys still holding on to the trade or what? Is my internet bugging? Dropping frames on that PC. I don't know what's going on. They fixed my internet. Fixed. Look at that candlestick. Good job, Ohio. He's like a soundboard. Look at that candlestick. It's like an AI bot. Yeah, I mean, I'm not getting out of this. Ain't no way. Yeah, there's nothing to make us like, this could go up. No indication yet. Plus, we're not worried anyways because we've got our handy dandy bleeder candle. So we already know what's going to happen. I mean, this looks incredible on the break of the lows. Like even more so now. Looks increíble. Listen to this AI bot in the chat, man. You know, he went to Chat GPT. He was like, give me some trading lingo that I can say to my friends. Look at that candlestick. Look at that candlestick. I can just hear it in AI voice. Guys, these wicks are incredible. But for real though, nothing has closed back above that yet. So, I mean, if something closes back above that, then I'm probably out. But probs. Yeah, I'm dropping all sorts of frames right now. You hate to see it. They fixed my internet, man. Crazy. Oh, you did? Let's go. Come on. My brother just got a hat for Father's Day from there. Looks pretty sick. Can we get the bleeder candle for the people? Okay. Let's do it. Why not? Oh, nice. Nice little b-ball. Oh yeah, we took my nephews to like a jump zone type thing where they have like trampolines everywhere and basketball hoops. Yeah, they like that. Had muscles cramping that I didn't even know. Yeah. Classic. Classic. Yeah. I know, man. Like, it's stupid. It's stupid, but I mean, you did the right thing closing. I mean, if it closes back above, like, that's an indication of it's going to go up, right? Like, in my opinion. So I think that's the right call. But a lot of people know that. All these people manipulating the market, man. They know these things. See, like I told you guys, obviously I'm not rooting for this, but like we all know it should go down, right? Like it looked incredible to go down. And it's just been trolling here for how long now? Like forever. Like every indication possible was like this should bleed. And it hasn't. Because everyone else knows that same thing. The main players. But what are you going to do? Not take this trade? Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Oh. Oh. It's dipping below the line. It's dipping below. All right, guys, we got about 2 pips there. Hold up. Hold up. We got some movement. Bleeder candle inbound. Bleeder candle inbound. Just wait until it's a month. Exactly, dude. Exactly. Do it, Goldie. Do it. We got a 15-minute closure again. So it's just like been constantly like breakout, back up, breakout, back up, breakout. So hopefully this is just one of those that finally breaks the floodgates down there. Finally. Holy. All right, this is testing our patience here today. This is testing the old patience muscle today. Ohio's getting it, man. He's understanding. All right, I gotta go get a Jocko for this, man. Like, did I miss it? Did I miss it? I mean, it would have been okay if I missed it. All right, what do we got here? Still just chilling, huh? Still just hanging around. This is criminal. This is actually criminal. Let's see. Yo, what up, Day Day boy? Yeah, Day Day boy. Now we're talking. Now it's a party. Yo, Day Day boy, how was your Alaskan cruise, man? And is your wife still there without you? She's like, you go home. I'm gonna take an extra couple days. She tried to stay. Let's go, man. That looked awesome. Heck yeah. All right, we got about 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, we just decided to create a channel, man. Just created a channel. Dude, he does. He absolutely does. That's why he's spamming those hearts. And the 100s. It's not even him. It is a pretty generic name, right? It's just a different guy. What are the odds? Goldie, we drew the bleeder candle. What are you doing, man? We already drew it. The Admiral. Yeah, there's definitely somebody that doesn't know. 100%. Definitely one of us that doesn't know. Nah, he doesn't know. Right here, ma'am. This is David Robinson. It's the Admiral. He's in the Texas Business Hall of Fame, though. Wait a second. Wait a second. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Goldie. Goldie, what are we doing? You know? What's the plan? We got a minute and a half or so. Holy. Waiting for a 1 hour and a 30-minute closure. Jeepers. Goodness gracious, man. We'll see how we close here in 30 seconds, but I don't love the fact that it could repeat the same pattern again. But what else we got to do, you know? I don't love this. I mean, the 1 hour still closed. 1 hour still closed bearish, man. I don't know, chat. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, it hasn't closed back above, but it's repeating that same pattern. But it can only repeat that so many times. So, and it's obviously a breakdown of a trend there. So, inbound, bleeder candle. Bleeder candle inbound. Hold on, let me move it down. Inbound. Maybe the bleeder candle's a jinx. Should we get rid of it? Boom. He has no idea, bro. None. All right, we deleted the bleeder candle. I think it was jinxing us. Yeah, I know, right? Except we're not making anything. They're all like, yep, all right, we made 50 grand a day. Yeah, this is criminal. But at some point, I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom or get some food or something, man. I'm gonna have to do something. I know, we still close below. So, like, okay, one of these has to be a bleeder. All right, should I bring it back? Was it actually a jinx? Should I bring it back? Because now it's starting to turn up. Here we go. Ready? That bleeder candle. That one. Boom. Yep. There it goes. Watch. Watch. Okay. Okay. I know, but I can't. Hold on. Hold on. You want me to put a top wick? I got it. Hello. Boom. Boom. Now we're talking. There's the wick. There's the wick and the bleeder. I'm about to just switch over to NQ and push by times 6. You guys down? What do you guys think? Bad idea? Good idea? What? I think it looks great. Okay, there's my top wick. Okay. There. Oh, all right. Okay. All right, there's the top wick. That's enough of a top wick. Definitely enough. That's too much. Too much of a top wick. All right. Okay. I'll have to make this a little higher. Okay, so it was a steeper top wick, you know? Holy moly. That's it for news, I think, right? Yeah. That's it. That's it for the news. All right, that's definitely enough of a top wick. Okay? Calm down. It just keeps closing below as well. It keeps closing below, but it's not going anywhere. Not going anywhere, man. Oh, I moved it. Whoops. I forgot those stayed. Did you hear that song? I wonder what went wrong today. As it's going up into drawdown. What went wrong today? Messed up. The song's even trolling me, man. This is why I hate taking cells down where it's supposed to be. You know? Brother, what is this? Oh my goodness gracious, a 4 hour. 1 hour just rolling with no bottom wick. Absolutely rolling with no bottom wick. Whoops, forgot about those again. Absolutely rolling. That's why I don't like taking sells at the bottom where it's supposed to go. That's why I take them usually up here. And then we're out. But obviously, if you try to do this and it runs up anyways, you lose. So it's always a risk. Always a risk. But I swear I get trolled harder more when it's like supposed to break that low. You know, you set your sell stop on the break of the low. Just turns right back around. All right, well, we'll see if we get another closure below here in 5 minutes. We got 5 minutes. All right, we got to keep the bleeder candle in sight. Trolling. Song's trippy. Trippy. All right, bleeder candle in effect now. Bruh. All right, we got 3 minutes for a 15-minute closure. This is crazy. Oh, still got my lines. NQ still trying to stay above. Hold on, let me line it up. Hold on. Boom. Can't screw it up. Chat, everybody calm down, okay? Everybody calm down. I've got the bleeder candle. You know that. It's going to go up. It's going to go down. And then it's going to hit full TP, okay? Trust. Follow the plan. Dude, somebody ban that guy. Somebody ban that guy ASAP. I'm quaking. Oh, Ohio doesn't know about that one yet. Quaking. Wow, don't be quaking, man. Don't abandon the system, David Robinson says. Way to go. Follow the plan. Chat, I'm gonna be honest. We're either gonna lose $1,000 or we're gonna win some, you know? Don't forget to take care of your kids in the process. Exactly. I think they're talking to you, Data Boy. We're either gonna lose or we're gonna win. Or we're gonna go break even. So either way, it's all good. We knew what we were getting into. Well, we didn't know exactly what we were getting into, but I didn't know I was gonna struggle. Just out here struggling. All right, there's the one last top wick there. Come back in and bleed. Boom. Roasted. Boom, roasted. Rejection. Good use of the word, Ohio. You're learning. That's what we are expecting. That's exactly what we're expecting. Is a rejection. Don't let my bleeder candle get crooked. Full margin. Yeah, that's a new one. Full margin. Who's with me? Who's with me? All right, what do we got going on here, realistically? Man, this 1 hour looks so good. If it breaks that low, I know we've been saying this for like 2 hours now, or whatever it's been. It feels like I've been in this trade for days, man. Like I've been living out here, no food and water in the desert, struggling. And then a camel comes and picks me up and takes me to water, and it just goes to full TP. Or I'm still hallucinating in the desert. Not sure. That's what this trade feels like. Use it in a sentence. And punched his monitor. That actually happened. But for real. What's that in dodgeball? It's like a metaphor. Except that actually happened. One of your messages? What message? I don't know. What message? Where? Did that one go through? Yes. Yes, it did. Did you see it twice? Nope. Nope. Did what? What's this guy on? you talking about? Oh, maybe you can't. I don't know. Oh, maybe he's not in the channel right now. I don't know. I'm not sure. Time to walk away. Man. Yeah, I need to go to the bathroom, actually. I mean, we're in this. We're in it. In it to win it. I mean, do I want to lose $1,000 on these combines? Absolutely not. But it looked good that I wasn't going to do that. But, I mean, it still keeps closing below, is the thing. We just need one of these to actually have the volume to come through for us. Just need one to have that volume, man. Oh. There we go. There's my bleeder candle. Actually, I'll be right back. I had a left-handed bank hook shot on Friday that Duncan would have been proud of. Yeah? Was it like the one you did in 8th grade? I almost tried to pick up my controller. Like I was about to start playing Call of Duty. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. Alright, so we're still trolling around. Yeah, that was a pretty sick move, though. It was a pretty sick move. It's not bad. You're too busy with the ants. That's crazy. Yeah, this is just, I don't know. Just going up, man. Just faking us. It's just faking us out, man. Yeah, I mean, if the 1 hour stops trolling and breaks that low, looks decent. Looks pretty good, man. Wait till Nick is in half of his drawdown and I enter with a TP at Nick's entry for an easy W. But I need that's actually incredible. Yeah, I mean that's kind of that's honestly kind of the way I enter. Just I mean without knowing Nick's trade, but like these are where I look for the trades at. You know, honestly, that's actually hilarious. Not a bad plan, but like look up here. Like I would much rather take a sell up here than down here. I know you get better confirmation down here and stuff, but like I don't know. It all looked pretty good to go down anyways. So like anticipating a top wick up here like these, like I wanted to be in earlier, sometimes it's just money. But yeah, that's funny. That's not a bad strategy. Easy dub. That's awesome. Dang, Ohio. About to have you banned for life. It's messed up. That's messed up. All right, guys, we got about 4 minutes. 4 minutes for a 30-minute closure again. If it closes above this, I might just cut my losses, and if it wants to run down, then whatever, but I don't know if I feel comfortable anymore if it closes above this. It just looks so good to come back down, though. Honestly, like from a 1 hour. So the 1 hour could override my decision on the 30-minute. However, the 4 hour could override my decision on the 1 hour. So I got you for 3 minutes. I got you for 3 minutes. Yeah, I mean, this looks kind of chopped at the moment. I no longer love it as much. You're cooked. Yeah. Oh, it's cooked. Nah, we don't know that yet. We don't know. And even still, like it sucks, but like if this closes back above and we decide to just like take our losses and cut out early, I mean, it's annoying, but it could still run all the way down. But I don't know. That's a pretty bullish candle work in there coming for us. Hopefully not. It's just kind of weird to me. The 1 hour running like this up, no bottom wick after all these wicks. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Well, we'll see. We got a minute. We got a minute left. See what we decide. We'll see what we end up with, man. Oh, it's cooked. Oh, it's cooked. It could just wick us out and go all the way back down, honestly. Like it's coming for that top wick to grab all the liquidity. Honestly. Could make it a little higher. Honestly. I don't mind. Wait, it already got us? Wait. How did this wick us out? Bro, how did that wick us out? What? Say what? Yeah, it hit. It hit on there, apparently. I must have had it lower on my other one. But that's okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna accept our loss here. I'm not gonna sit in this trade. I'm just gonna put it there. If it hits, it hits. All good. I mean, everything looked good, so I think that was still a good trade. I think it was still a good trade to take. If it hits us, it hits us.
Order filled.
All right, we're out. We are out. Bleeder candle officially didn't work. So you didn't take it? Good job, see ya. Yeah, it just looks so good to take. Look good to go down. I'm okay taking that one. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. See ya. Yeah, I'm closed. I am closed. See, this is what usually happens, though. That's why I wanted to move it up a little bit, but I just didn't want to stay in that trade any longer, man, if I'm being honest. But, like, it'll come break all these highs on these 1 hours, and then I'll just fly. No, I'm still chilling for a little bit. Just a little bit longer, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I'll probably end soon. 1.5 hours just to get stopped out, man. I know. Wild. Wild price action, man. All right, we got a little profit on our XFA. All I need is 150 bucks, I think, for a green day, so we locked that up. We did lock that up. That's really the most important thing. NQ. See what's going on. Is there any sign of pullback? I mean, you got this here on the daily on NASDAQ. In here, got some wicks, support, resistance. That's not bad there. That's on the 4 hour, sorry. It is right up near the top of that daily zone as well. You got support, resistance. That's not terrible. Not terrible. Whoops. Yeah, I mean, there's no top wick here on the 30. Kind of coming into the zone. 4 hour right there. Actually, this is here. At the bottom. That's not bad. It's not bad, man. GG's. Are we cooked, chat? Are we cooked? All right. Wow, what a crazy sequence there. 4 hour. Crazy. Like I said, it could still come back down. Crazy, man. There it goes. There it goes. $30-minute could just be coming down to like here. Make a bottom wick. Possibly. Possibly. Yeah, so it's $150 for a green day. 150. Yeah, 1.5 hours just to get chalked. You hate to see it. Yeah, so we do have 150 there. I think we'll just lock in our... We'll just lock in our green day on there. Close her up. We'll lock out of the XFA. Get our green day. And then we'll see. Maybe done on these as well. How's our trade? Yep. Wicked us out. Predictable, man. This part's predictable when you're about to lose. Aims for right above all those clean 1 hour highs. Boom. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. See what this 15-minute candle does. We'll see, we'll see. Daily ripping up. I don't know, Nasdaq kind of struggling at that zone. Kind of struggling a little bit. See what happens here in 4 minutes. If it kind of struggles around in this area, I might be interested. Everything looks good to go up though, but could reach that higher zone as well. Okay. Could go to the higher one. See what happens. Whoops. Was blasted the desk. My bad. My bad. See how we end up here in a minute. Goldie doing? The trolling us still? Yep. Look at that price action, man. Ooh. Insane. That one hurts my feelings. That one hurts the old feelings. Might be interested in a shot here. I know it doesn't make sense, but sense to me. Does make sense to me, man.
Order filled.
Does it does. We're in there. Again, win or lose. Win or lose. Sell NQ at your own risk. Belgium can appeal it? Really? Yeah, what? How can they appeal it? Doesn't even make sense. The whole thing is stupid. The whole thing is dumb. How can they appeal it? I don't even understand that. Let me see that. Belgium. Yeah, like, how does that even work? Oh, Belgium's trying to get him disqualified. That's why. Belgium's crying. That's why. Yeah. They're just crying, man. Yeah, it's basically just we don't want to play against them. Yeah. They want an explanation and all this stuff. Like, whatever, man. You do you. We're just crying, man. That's all it is. All right, realistically. Just target down into this area here. It wants to run down. But like I said, it's extremely bullish, so sell at your own risk on NQ. Could just run us up and kill us. Could, it could. What's Goldie doing? What did Goldie do? Okay, so it wicked us out. Still. Now it's continuing to go down, at least at the moment. It's still closed above everything. Yeah, like it closed above the 30. It is working on a closure below it again, though. Looks like. Crazy. Goldie's trolling. Gold's just mean, man. Just mean. Mean, mean, mean. Check back in on NQ. We got going on. Starting to come down. Coming back a little. Little bit, little bit. See if we can get a push down. We're not getting too greedy on this one. Just back into this zone down here. I mean, we're already trying to sell NASDAQ when it looks bullish everywhere. So. Need a push. I mean, if it re-breaks this low, I think I'm going to go break even anyways. I think that was a low. It did break. Barely. Barely, barely. cut our risk. Cut our risk altogether. I just wanted to see it reject a little faster than this. The moves are like, they take forever to play out. Seems like. Seems like they take a while to play out now. Going. Do it, NQ. Do it, do it. Struggling. Hanging on though. One more push. More push down. Can it re-break before it wicks us out? That's a negative. Wow. That's criminal, man.
Order filled.
All right, well, break even. Gonna go all the way back up to break even. Wick us out, man. It's all right. I like that shot. We could have ended up with like 400 bucks there, but I mean, I wasn't asking for much down here, I don't think. So we'll take that. All right, we're just gonna call it a day, man. We'll take our licks and live to fight another day. All right. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right. GG's. All right. Peace out, chat. Later.